Hello. So in this video we will learn how to take array of strings as an input. Okay, so let's start. So first we make object of scanner class. Okay, so what we want is how the input format will be for this type is, so they will give a size 4. They will give some strings separated like BCD, KWV, RTI. Okay, so what we want is we want to take these four strings as an input and output them. What we do is, so first what we need a size of the array. What is the size? If you want, you can use this, like enter the size of array. This is for the telling the user like it is a time to enter the size of the array, but still okay. Let's just code without that. Next int. So we got the size. Now what we want to make an array of string. How to make it? How did we make the array of int? We use int name of array is equal to new int. Now we want the data type to be string. So what we do? String, any name you can provide, Java is equal to new string, and here you give the size. In this bracket you give the size. So let's make a string array of size. Okay, now for int I equal to 0 to I less than size, we'll make a for loop, basic for loop. Now what we want is at ith index we want a string. So there are two methods, as next method and next line. You can use anyone, but currently we will use next. Okay, so here we will get the inputs in the array. So to print we use int I equal to 0 to size by the help of a basic for loop, and we just print the value at that index. So let's test this. Okay, size of array will be 4. Array will be ABC, BCD, KWV, and ACD. So it get printed without any space. So we can use a length method here. So let's provide the input again here. So in this video we learn how to make an array of string. So thank you.